Hello everyone, very good morning. Welcome back. Hope everyone are doing good. I'm announcing new Power BI batches starting next year. There are two batches this time. One is weekday batch, other one is weekend batch. Since last 4 to 5 months, I didn't get a chance to take trainings because of other schedules. So now I'm planning again two batches. So weekday will be in English and weekend will be in Telugu. And weekday is 1.5 hour a day and weekend will be 4 hours a day. And timings you can see it is 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and for weekend it is 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. Apart from this, we will have one more hour every week. Either it can be Saturday or Sunday. It's a 1 hour session, mostly for doubt clarification. If anyone couldn't follow properly in the classes, you can still ask questions in the class itself, or you can contact me in WhatsApp. We can discuss. Still, if still couldn't understand, we can connect on this 1 hour session. It's for both batches combinedly. And this is the content, summarized content, Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service and Power BI Admin, DAX language and ADLS, Data Lake, and ADF, Data Factory. So we are not going to see in detail, but it's a beginner level training I am going to provide for ADF. Maybe in future, if I get a time, I'll take full-fledged ADF training. And Power Automate, which is more of Power BI focused. And we have business process related discussions, interview questions, and how you work in real time with other teams, project managers, DevOps, and these things we will see in detail. So this time I'm excluding Power BI Report Server, Power BI Report Builder, as well as Azure Analysis Services because of it takes 2 more weeks. It will go 8 weeks, but still I'll cover something about Report Builder and Report Server and AS in the classes, but not in very detail like earlier. But still I can cover something for you, for your interview purpose and all these things. And this is targeted for both IT and non-IT professionals who are working in different sectors and coming to data as the first time, or maybe if you're working already in data in other technology coming to Power BI. And also we're not going to discuss just Power BI. We will see many things in the classes that are linked to Power BI in the real time that is more helpful to you once you get a job. And you can check my profile here in Urban Pro, and this is our YouTube channel. You can check few videos available there from previous sessions, or some videos I've uploaded earlier. And you can contact me in the email if you're interested to take, or you can contact me in WhatsApp also. This is my WhatsApp number. So if you're interested, you can also ping me here so that we will discuss further. So coming to content, as I mentioned, I'm not going to take Power BI Report Server, Report Builder, Azure AS, as well as SQL Server, but I'll just cover some basics about these things once we start the classes. But anyone coming from non-IT, from other departments, at least some basic SQL knowledge is required. But though you are not a very proficient in SQL queries, I will also teach something basics of SQL in the classes, and I'll guide you how to learn SQL in the classes itself. So we'll start directly the Power BI Desktop with some introduction to SQL and importance of SQL in the real time. Anyway, I'm going to provide a link of this in the PDF format in the description section. So you can download a PDF of this content, you can go through, or if you have any friends or family wanted to take the trainings, you can also share with them. They can also go through this content. And you can see timings again here in this top section. So about each and every batch, weekday and weekend batch. So once we complete Power BI Desktop, we will see about Power BI Service, which is a cloud service from Power BI. So we deploy our reports here. Then we'll see Power BI Administration. So in many companies, Power BI developers also working as administration part. So we will not have dedicated admin, especially small scale companies. So that is why if you know Power BI service as well as admin, it will be more advantage for you in getting a job. And next we will see DAX. DAX is more of analytical language in Power BI to compute the metrics. I can say it's a business metrics or business logics. So in every report we have to derive something. It's not just drag and drop in Power BI. We have to compute something, we have to write some calculations. It can be easy calculations or it can be complex calculations. So all these things we will see in the DAX sessions. So anyway, DAX is very huge and vast subject. We are going to see many formulas, many DAX calculations that is really helpful for you in the real time once you're looking for a job. And we will see something about Power Automate, which is linked to Power BI to automate few tasks in real time. Then we will see about ADLS, which is Azure Data Lake Storage, as well as ADF. We have ADF from Microsoft, which is a cloud-based integration environment. So since it's a Power BI focused, I'm going to cover beginner level training on ADF and ADLS. So because if you're going for any Power BI interview, they may also ask questions about this ADF thing. At least they'll check whether you have understanding of these things or not. So if you know more, you have more chance of getting selected. That is why I'm going to cover ADF as well in this training. And we'll also see about business process. Once you join any company, we have to know something how to deal with other teams and like project management teams, or maybe from database teams, and you have to follow certain sprints agile methodology you are going to follow in project management. So these things we are going to see, as well as interview questions and resume guidance. And I'm going to provide a project task for you at the end, to see how you are in Power BI. And we also discuss about in detail about this task at the end of the training. And as I mentioned, there are two batches. One is weekday, other one is weekend batch. Weekday is English batch, and weekend is Telugu batch. And I'm going to provide two Power BI premium producer license accounts for you. And these two are the real-time accounts only. So the same thing you will see in the real time once you join any company. And we have a dedicated WhatsApp group for any discussions, any question that you have. And all the data sources that I'm using, I'm going to share with you for your practice purpose. And all the classes that are, the recorded will be shared with you for your reference, which will be in the read only. And yes, you can contact me anytime. You can connect with me in the WhatsApp, or you can call me. We can discuss in detail if you have any questions. Yeah, that's all from my end. If any one of you or your friends or family interested to join the classes, ask them to contact me in the WhatsApp here, or they can also contact me on the email. Anything is fine. So that's all. Thank you so much. Please share this video to your friends and family. And thank you so much. Bye everyone.